Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Daniel Iman bin ZULKIFLE from Group 1, and this is our presentation on Kolek board conceptual design for seat and roof solution. Group 1 consists of 5 students. The first one is myself, Daniel, and the others are AHAM MOHAMMAD, ALIF IKHWAN, JAYCIE, and AMIRA ZAHIDAH. The main issue for collect boat owners is the poor quality of canopies and seats. They are short-lived, uncomfortable, and unsafe. This is due to four key factors. The first one is durability, where the low quality material that rusts and wear quickly. And the second one is environment, where humidity, UV ray, and strong wind accelerate damage. The third one is the design itself, where non-ergonomic and attractive design, reducing comfort and the safety of the passenger. And the last one is the manpower, where lack of training leads to poor manufacturing. The objective for our project is to demonstrate expert level execution of tool and technique through precisely identify and address the problem. The second objective is to design and develop multiple concepts based on customer requirement. And the last objective is to evaluate and synthesize the generated concept, utilizing well-defined criteria and method to discriminate and justify the selection of the final concept.
In this project, the scope and limitation play a crucial role in defining our approach and outcomes. Starting with the scope, we focus on two primary areas, seating design and roof systems. The goal was to prioritize user comfort and safety while persevering the cultural relevance of the Kolek boat. We emphasize ease of manufacturing, affordability, and accessibility to locally sourced materials. The design will also craft to balance practicality with the traditional aesthetic, maintaining the boat's heritage appeal. However, the project had its limitations. Budget constraints restricted our ability to explore high-end materials and advanced features. Material access was another challenge, as we relied on affordable, locally available options that may not meet ideal durability standards. Additionally, our team worked with limited technical knowledge and basic manufacturing resources, which impacted the level of precision and complexity achievable in our design. On November 4, an interview was conducted with Mr. Shami, which the person responsible for the collect design. His input played a key role in shaping the design of the boat's seat and roof.
We have made an interview with the customer and we have listed what are the customer needs. So the customer requirements for a seat we have listed, which is a comfortable, long lifespan, safety, protection from water, protection from sunlight, traditional design, affordable, and multi-purpose for the seat. And the customer requirements for a roof, we listed the customer need a comfortable, long lifespan, safety, protection from water, protection from sunlight, traditional design, affordable, lightweight design, and also a storage room for a roof. And now for engineering characteristic. Engineering characteristic are basically based on the customer requirements. Then we have listed the engineering characteristic for a seat, which is ergonomics, durability, design, weather protection, aesthetic, production cost. And for engineering characteristic for a roof, we have listed which is ventilation, durability, design, weather protection, aesthetic, production cost, anti-corrosive material, weight, extra space for storage.
Every good morning. My name is JAYCIE. So, I'm gonna present about House of Quality. So, what is House of Quality? House of Quality is a framework that is vital tool for translating customer needs into specific engineering and design tools. For Collect Board, the HOQ focuses on creating seat and roof design that balances cultural heritage with a modern functionality. So without further ado, let's take a look at the HOQ of seat. So at the left side, we have customer requirement what, which are comfortability, long lifespan, safety, protection from water, traditional design, affordable, and multi-purpose. So on the top of the table we have a technical specification which is engineering characteristic. We have ergonomic, durability, design, weather protection, aesthetic, and production cost. So for the target for technical specification, we have seat height, 4 to 6 passengers for the boat durability, and the boat have to be traditionals, and the material should have a temperature tolerance, and the design. The next one is the design consistency, as we are building a traditional boat, and the last one is a material choice. So the customer requirement importance will be evaluated with 1 and 5, which is 1 is the least importance and 5 is the most importance. The next one is the relationship between technical specification and customer need will be evaluated as 9 strong, 3 mediums, and 1 is the weak.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Amira Zahidah, and I will continue for the house of quality of roof. The house of quality for Kolek roof start with the customer requirement, which includes the comfortability, long lifespan, safety, protection from sunlight and water, traditional design, affordability, and lightweight design. The technical specification, how, across the top, includes ventilation, durability, design, weather protection, anti-corrosive material, aesthetic, production cost, weight, and extra space for storage. The target is the specific goals for the technical specification. For example, the target for the roof ventilation is minimum airflow rate. The durability should last for 30 to 40 years. The design should keep it traditional, and for the weather protection target is heavy wind 120 meter per hour. The waterproof material and the earth tones of the boat roof are the target for the anti-corrosive material and aesthetic specification. The production cost target should be around 200 to 300 ringgit Malaysia, and the weight target should be less than 10 kg. The target for the extra space is 24 until 26 inches of storage up above on the head.
So this is our product design specification for the Kolek boot seating and roofing. This PDS aligns specification, performance, and user expectation to ensure a successful product. Our target market is tourists seeking comfort and safety. We have selected durable, lightweight material like aluminum and recycled PET to prevent rust and rot. The seating is designed with lower back support, and the roof offers sun protection for both passenger and the driver. The design respects the traditional Kolek aesthetic while prioritizing sustainability with recyclable material. The prototype will be crafted by hand and 3D printing. This PDS guarantee a high quality, eco-friendly, and comfortable boating experience.
Now, physical decomposition involves breaking down a product into its key component to understand how each part contributes to its overall functions. In a physical decomposition of the seat, we have identified the main components like the chair frame, seat, armrest, and backrest. The chair's four main components, the chair frame, seat, backrest, and armrest work together to form a cohesive structure that offers comfort, stability, and support. While the armrest give comfort, the structure supports the seat and backrest to ensure proper weight distribution and posture. For the roof, we have defined the physical decomposition part, which is the frame, storage, handrails, and roofing as the main component of the roof. They join to build a durable and efficient structure. The frame acts as the basis supporting the handrails for safety, the storage for added convenience, and the roofing for the weather protections.
So next one, I'm gonna talk about functional decomposition. So what is functional decomposition? Functional decomposition is a breakdown of a product into a main function to understand how each part contributes to its performance and the user experience. So by looking at the key function of the seat and roof, we can see how each system works to improve the overall boating experience. So the first one is functional breakdown for the seat. So this system, as we can see, this system actually focuses on managing user interaction with the boat seat, which the mechanism emphasizing comfort, stability, and adaptability. So it is designed to make seating more comfortable, stable, and personalized by responding to the user weight and movements. So the next one is functional breakdown for the roof. So as we can see, this system protect the interior from environment factors like rain, sunlight, and UV rays while allowing the user control and maintaining stability. So it is start by detecting input such as rain, sunlight, and weather to decide how it shields the interior. So the key tasks include blocking the water, deflecting UV rays, and providing shades.
Now let's move on to function structure decomposition. Function structure decomposition looks at how a product's main function break into smaller tasks, showing how information, energy, and materials move through the system. For the Kolek boat, this helps us understand how the seat and roof work together to provide comfort, stability, and safety for passengers, while also managing space and protecting from elements.
So this is our morphological chart that we have created to explore various design possibilities for the Kolek boat seating and roofing. For the seating, frame option includes square beam, semi-cylinders, circular beam storage tube, and a frame that can be secured to the boat's wall. The seat option range from the solid wood with waterproof coating to cushion in shape like circular, trapezoid, semi-oval, and rectangular. Armrest designs vary from traditional wooden style to modern designs, some with cushion and others without, while the backrest can be anything from non-rectangular prism or curved cushion to vintage wooden backrest. For the roof, we have choice for roofing, handrail, and storage. Roofing options include flat roof, semi-oval design, no roof, and traditional Malaysian style or Minangkabau house-inspired roof. For the handrail can be attached to the boat wall, the roof support beam, or designed after public transit or safety barrier style. For the storage, it include options such as rack style unit, box shaped container, and open and closable personal storage unit. This morphological chart allow us to explore modular combination, providing flexibility in design and making sure every function is considered for the final product.
Now, let's look at the design concept we developed for the Kolek boat project. This concept was generated using a systematic approach focusing on comfort, durability, safety, and maintaining the traditional aesthetics of the Kolek boat. Concept 1 features a chair frame bolted to the ship's wall for stability, a cushion seat with an oval shape, typical cushion armrest, and a curved cushion backrest. The concept prioritizes comfort and support for passengers during long journeys. Concept 2 introduced a hollow cube frame that offers additional storage, paired with a trapezoid-shaped cushion for seating, typical cushion armrest, and a backrest style after a vintage wood chair. This design emphasizes functionality and a touch of traditional craftsmanship. Concept 3 employs a circular beam as the chair frame, solid wood with waterproof coating for the seat, a traditional armrest without cushions, and a curved cushion backrest. This concept is highly durable and resistant to weather conditions. Concept 4 uses a square beam frame, a semi-oval seat cushion, no armrest for simplicity, and a rectangular prism backrest. This minimalist design is lightweight and practical for a small Kolek boat. Concept 5 showcases a chair frame secured to the ship's wall, a trapezoid-shaped cushion for seating, a contemporary armrest design and no backrest. This compact and modern approach optimizes space and functionality. Now, let's explore the roof design concepts developed for the Kolek boat project. These concepts were carefully designed to prioritize weather protection, durability, and traditional aesthetics while maintaining practicality. Concept 1 features a traditional Malaysian-style roof. The design is inspired by the structure of local homes, providing a classic look. It includes a handrail fixed to the boat wall for safety and a storage net attached to the roof support beam, making it both functional and visually appealing. Concept 2 showcases a semi-oval roof shape. This design enhances the weather resistance and adds a sleek aesthetic. It includes handrails for stability and a personal storage unit with a lid, ensuring passengers' belongings are secure during the journey. Concept 3 adopts a boxy yet functional approach with a curved roof. The handrails are attached directly to the roof support beam, and the design incorporates a box-shaped container for organized storage. Concept 4 takes inspiration from Minangkabau architecture with its curving roof. This design combines traditional aesthetics with practicality. It features no handrails, simplifying the structure, and includes a basic rack-style storage system for passenger belongings. Concept 5 features a flat roof design with a lightweight and modern approach. It is complemented by fence-like handrails for enhanced safety and a closable personal storage unit, providing a secure and minimalist option for passenger convenience.
So next, we're going to talk about path chart. So what is path chart? Path chart is a tool used to compare different design options based on important factors. So it helps to identify the best choices by evaluating how each concept performs against set criteria. So for the collect board, the path chart is used to assess both seat and roof design ideas. So by comparing each concept, the path chart helps to determine which design offer the best balance of features for the boat. So as we can see here, this is the seat design evaluation matrix. So the path chart evaluates and compares different seat design concept for collect board based on seat criteria, which are durability, production cost, maintenance, safety, comfort, and weight. So each criterion is weighted according to its importance, with durability, safety, and weight given the highest weightage of 3, indicating they are critical factors for the roof designs. So this weightage will be evaluated with number 1, 2, and 3, where 1 is the low importance, the 2 is medium importance, and 3 is high importance. As for the scale indicator, we are using positive for greater than datums, 0 is as per datum, and negative is lesser than datum.
Next, for the roof design, the path chart shown evaluates and compares different roof design concepts for a collect boat based on 6 criteria, which are the durability, production cost, maintenance, safety, ventilation, and weight. Each criterion is weighted according to its importance, with durability, safety, and weight given the highest weightage of 3, indicating they are critical factors for the roof design. Overall, the charts highlights that concept 2 and 3 are the most balanced and promising roof designs for the Kolek boat, offering optimal durability, safety, and functionality.
Finally, we have made an in-depth analysis for the final concept design. Concept 1 for the seat was chosen for its reliability and comfort, while concept 2 for the roof was selected for its safety, simplicity, and functionality. Together, they will provide the best combination of durability, comfort, and practically for the collect boat. And that's all from us. Thank you.